Alright, so you're on a date with this girl, and preferably the first date, because it's really important to get that initial physical contact with a woman in the form of a kiss. Okay, and we've talked about escalations, that's another video, but this is a video on how to get the first kiss. Now, a lot of times you think that kissing on the first date happens at the end. It's that traditional, like, you walk her to the door and it's like, hey, I had a good time, I had a really good time too, and then you lean in for the kiss and like she either turns her face away or she leans into it herself. Like, that's the way it typically goes. Again, being an Omega man is a man that is unlike any other man that she's been with. So if that's what you're gonna do, even if it works, you are still just like every other dude that she's been with. So you've got to do it a little bit different. And so and also keep in mind that the end of the date kiss is really, really awkward. It really is, because she knows that it's coming. And women want, again, we're here to create a story for a woman. And when she already knows what's going to happen, she kind of wants to fast forward through that part. And if you want to stand out in her mind, it's got to be something she's never seen before. So that is why you don't kiss a girl at the end of the date, at least for the first time. When you want to kiss a girl for the first time, you do it in the middle of the date. So I'm going to show you how to do my mid-date kiss, okay? So when you are at dinner, or you are having drinks, or you are sitting at the coffee shop, or you are, wherever your first date is, you want to initiate a kiss. And but it can be awkward, because like, what if she rejects you, and like, then how does the rest of the date go and stuff like that. So this has to be rejection proof. And so and that's what this is. It's a rejection proof way of getting that kiss. So here's how it works. You're going to be sitting across from her or next to her, and you're going to announce that it's like, okay, I'm going to run to the bathroom real quick. Okay, so you're sitting there, so excuse me, I'm just going to run to the bathroom. Now, you get up and you go in and you go to kiss her on the cheek, okay? But have you ever had one of those kisses on the cheek where it was like, you kind of touched corners or a little bit? So it's not gonna be a kiss that's right here, okay? You're gonna go so the corner of your mouth meets the corner of her mouth, okay? So now the reason that this is, and again, this has gotta be precise, you lean in so the corner of your mouth hits the corner of her mouth. Okay, and now if there's a couple of key components to this. One, you're getting up and you're moving, okay? There's nothing more awkward than a kiss where you try to do it and it does work, it doesn't work, and then you're just both standing there like, okay, what next, right? So being in motion is what makes things not awkward at all. It's what just keeps them moving and keeps her thinking, okay? Plus, now she's either going to kiss you back, allow you to kiss her on the cheek or in the corner of the mouth, or she's going to turn away and give you her cheek, or she's going to turn towards you and give you her lips. Those are the only three options that she has, okay? And it doesn't matter which one that she does, because even if she turns her face and you kiss her cheek, that's still an escalation. And now you know where she's at, okay? Now, she might just kind of freeze and you kiss the corner of her mouth. She can say, hey, I don't kiss on the first date. I'd be like, sorry, I meant to kiss you on the cheek. I just, my aim wasn't that good. Must be the beers, right? So you have an excuse for, that type of kiss, right? Or she's going to turn towards you and you guys have a nice first kiss. Now, if she turns towards you, this isn't going to be a makeout. You guys are in public together. It's just going to be a nice little kiss, the way that you would kiss her if you had already been on 6 or 7 dates with her, or the way you would kiss her as if you've already slept with her, before. And that's the way that you want it to be. Now, here's the best part of this. No matter what happens, you're leaving. You're going to the bathroom. And so whatever happens, she turns her face, kisses you, she just allows the corner, or she turns her cheek, she's left there just thinking about it, okay? And you walk away and you get to think about it too. Then when you come back, you can just be like, okay, hey, I'm back, and just start conversation wherever you want. You can come back and address the kiss. You can come back and really you can go whatever direction that you want. There's no obligation for you to address it because, hey, I just went to kiss you on the cheek, you turned your face and you kissed me, right? So it's like if you do kiss her on the mouth, that wasn't you. You were going for the cheek and she's the one that turned. If she turned her cheek, then that's what you were doing anyways, and if you got really close, it's like, sorry, I was just going for your cheek. This is what makes this rejection proof. Also, you're going to be in public, so she's not going to reject you hard in public, and even if she does, like, it just looks like a couple that maybe was quarreling and he was trying to be sweet and she was just trying to turn her face. Like, everyone knows that happens, right? So the mid-date kiss, you can do this. I've done this when you're standing outside and you're waiting for valet, okay? And you're standing there and it's like, okay, I'm gonna go grab the car. And then you go for the kiss, and then you walk away, you go get the car. I've done this where I'm at the bar and I'm next to her. It's like, okay, I'm gonna run to the bathroom real quick, go kiss her, and then bounce. I've done this at a high top table where it's like, we're at the table standing or whatever, or even just like holding our drinks, and I've got to walk to the bar to get some more drinks. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go grab us another couple drinks. Go for the mid-date kiss and go from there. You can do it at dinner. You can do it at coffee. You can do it like wherever. Again, the worst case scenario is that she doesn't kiss you and you were just trying to be sweet in the first place. So you should kiss at the end of the date, but it shouldn't be your first one. And after you've done that first kiss, you have now gauged where she's at. If you just went on the cheek, then the next time, if she just allowed the cheek, then the next time that you kiss her, go for the cheek, but just get a little closer to the corner of the mouth, okay? And then the next time that you kiss her, go for the cheek, go a little bit closer to the corner of her mouth until she changes it. The only way that this can go wrong is if you kiss her and she turns her cheek and then she's like, do not do that again. If that's the case, the date wasn't going well in the first place. And honestly, I've never really heard of a girl doing that, as I've shown this tip to hundreds of guys and it works all the time when done right, okay? So that's the trick. Do not kiss her at the end of the date. Kiss her in the middle of the date. Now, side tip, or I guess additional tip. Sometimes, if you're feeling bold and feeling a little bit more advanced, when you first meet the girl, go for the kiss right in the beginning. Like, straight up when you meet her, hey, like you meet her for the first time, maybe it was a Tinder interaction or a Match.com, or maybe you picked her up on the street or at the bar, at the club, whatever, and like you're seeing her, you're on your first date, and you go and just go straight for the kiss. That works too, because like once the kiss is over, then you can go to the next step, which is being, even more romantic and more physical with her. So try to get that kiss out as soon as you can, but do not wait until the end of the date.